Use a screwdriver to install the stands at the three sides of the instrument. There are two spare fuses, which can replace the blown one in the instrument when necessary. When the fuse is blown, use a screwdriver to take it out, and then install the spare fuse in the instrument. Install filter. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the place, there will be air leakage or no vacuum. Install power line. Install vacuum RF connecting line. Install IRF connecting line. Install phase RF connecting line. Install body RF connecting line. Install 40K connecting line. Install laser pad connecting line. Put all the installed handles into corresponding stands. Press power button to start the instrument after making sure all fittings are connected to the instrument. There will be Welcome interface after starting the instrument. Press the button of body RF. Time 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is encouraged. RF energy 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. RF mode selection, 2 modes available. Pro mode is recommended if you use it for the first time. Pro is smart mode. After the handle touches skin, red LED light is on and energy slowly reaches preset level. NOR is fixed mode. After pressing start button, the red LED light is on and handle energy directly reaches preset level. Apply gel or RF cream evening to the treatment area before operation to avoid performing treatment on dry skin. Choose 40K function button. 20 minutes on each area is encouraged. RF energy 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. Mode selection, choose M2 if you use it for the first time. Apply special gel to the areas evening before operation. Please note, make sure there are not metal substance and jewelry on customer's body. Those who have metal implants in their body cannot use this instrument. It cannot be aimed at heart and bones. It cannot be used on back and chest. Choose body vacuum RF function. 20 minutes on each area is encouraged. RF energy 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. Set the parameters of the suction and release time. Suction time 0 to 2. 0.3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time 0 to 2. 0 to 0.8 is recommended. Apply essential oil to the treatment area evening before operation. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. Please note, adjust the suction and the release time based on personal needs. Button for adjusting suction is on the top of the instrument. You can use it based on individual endurance during the operation. Turning to the right is to increase suction. Turning to the left is to decrease suction. When the release time is 0, the instrument is in constant suction mode. Choose IRF function. 15 minutes on each area is encouraged. 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. Apply gel or eye essence to the treatment area evening before operation. Choose Phase RF function. 20 minutes on each area is encouraged. RF energy 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Pro mode is recommended if you use it for the first time. Apply gel or face essence to the treatment area evening before operation. Choose laser pad function. 30 minutes is recommended. The upper row displays the energy level of large laser pads. The triangle indicates the energy level of corresponding laser pad can be adjusted, and when the triangle appears above the other bars, the energy level of a certain large laser pad can be adjusted. The lower row displays the energy level of small laser pads. Fix the laser pad on the treatment area through binding strip without applying gel. After operation, press Restore button to go back to Home interface. Take out laser pad and then untie the binding strip.